Hey there! Thank you for watching the video about Chrome browser DevTools. DevTools are a powerful set of tools helping web developers to build better applications. In this video, we'll learn about a cool way of copying the CSS style declaration as JavaScript code. But why do you need that? So in some of these libraries like React or whatever the environment where you use CSS in JS, the CSS styling declaration doesn't work as it is. To use them in the JavaScript, you have to translate them in a specific format. Do you want to know how to do that? Let's get started with that. So the first thing we will do, we'll right click and do inspect to bring the debugger up. As the debugger is up now, we can inspect any element and try to find out what are the styles and the classes that are applied. For example, on this particular div, there is a class called column applied, and the column is having these styles. So if you look into this style structure, for example, for minimal width, it is like min-width. For padding left, it is like padding-left. But if you want to do the style directly in the CSS in JS format, for example, in React JSX, if you want to write an inline style, you cannot write it as min-width. Rather, you have to write it in the camel case like min, then capital width, min width. Similarly, padding left should be padding, then no space, capital L, then EEFT. So this is the format that you need to write. Now, most of the designers or the CSS professionals will get you this styling, and as a web developer, JavaScript developer, kind of hand code them again is kind of cumbersome work. So how can you do it? If you have a prototype which declares this CSS style in this format, you can directly inspect that prototype, right click on that and say copy all declaration as JS. So this will copy all the declaration in the format that you can apply in the JavaScript directly. It has few other options as well. For example, you can copy declarations. It will copy the declarations as is. You can copy declaration as JS, that means one by one you can copy, or you can copy all declaration as JS, that means all these declarations will be copied. So let's see that option. I click on copy all declarations as JS. Now all the declaration as JavaScript is copied in my clipboard. I can paste it anywhere. Just for showing, I will go to the console where I can paste certain things, and I will go over and do a Ctrl V. If I do a Ctrl V, did you see what happened? Each of the CSS declaration, style declaration, has now become JavaScript compatible declaration. So min-width become min-width, padding-left become padding-left, and so on. This is quite handy. I hope that you understood like how the things work, and you will take a full advantage of this one. Alright, so before I leave, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done already. We'll come back very soon with the next video. Thank you.